Raspberry Pi Echo joystick machine. Enter. Back. Select. Coin. Home. Select. Start. LS. Raspberry Pi Model B3 HDMI power cable, SD card port, audio port, on and off button. Okay, let's try this. Neo Geo Capcom Mami Favorites Super Nintendo Super Famicom Famitrouble Nintendo Entertainment System. Okay, Nintendo 64, Game Boy Advance, Sega Master System, Genesis 32X, Sega SG-1000, Game Gear Dreamcast. Okay, let's pay attention to Dreamcast. When we enter that, there is Dreamcast games. Capcom Fighting, Crazy Taxi 2, Donald Duck, Giga Wings, Guilty Gear X. Okay, so when we choose a game, Mortal Kombat Gold, and this is enter, this is back. If you want to quit, press select and coin. Okay, let's enter.
Developments Limited entertainment software games. Electronic fun for everyone.
Press start. Okay, arcade 1-on-1.
Choose your destiny.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, we have win, and if you want to quit, press start. If we want to quit, start and coin. Okay, back to the menu. Back, enter and back. Okay, Dreamcast. Next. Game and Watch. Television. Amstrad CPC. Atari. Cave Story. MSX. Annual Junior Pocket. Pocket Color. PlayStation. Okay, PlayStation games. Okay, let's go back. PC Engine. And Neo Junior, Capcom, Mami. Okay, Mami games. Okay, if we want to set in system, let's go back, press start. Start. Okay, it's the main menu. System setting, update, game setting, controller setting, UI setting, sound setting, network setting, advanced setting, quit. If you want to quit, okay, there is restart system and the shutdown system. Okay, if you want to close, same, close. Okay, in sound setting, we can choose output device, HDMI, jack, and auto. If we connect to TV, we choose HDMI. Okay, back, close, back, and okay, let's see the total games. Okay, that's the Raspberry Pi Aircard joystick machine. Raspberry Pi on and off button. Double joysticks. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Cdragon Game Store. Welcome to make order from our store. Shutdown system, yes. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This is Jimmy from Cdragon Game. See you next time. Have a good day.